Jahan will run as the top favorite, and they're up. Liza's Wisdom draws for your lead. Puma is running on the outside. Jaden Dugo, then running on the outside. Purple Indy. Jahan comes next, followed by Tough Guy as they race towards the last 800. Liza's Wisdom in command by Anek, running on the outside. Purple Indy. Puma comes next. Jaden Dugo racing in fourth, then followed by Jahan as they race towards the last 600. Purple Indy, Liza's Wisdom by the rail. Then running in third is Puma. Jaden Dugo moving up together with Jahan as they swing for home. Purple Indy, Liza's Wisdom, Jaden Dugo, Jahan as they come up to the final 200. It's two runners fighting out for the lead. Purple Indy, Jaden Dugo, Jahan is on the outside. Jaden Dugo, Jahan is on the outside, moves up to take the lead. And finally, the favorite, Jahan, Jaden Dugo. Then comes Liza's Wisdom, Purple Indy.
2, 1, 3, 6.